Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. Okay, so I'm traveling from Jamaica. I'm a distant traveler. I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to learn about new music, new family, new heritage, and what these guys are capable of. So I'm traveling and I've encountered this family. So this family, they are called Mission Soul Family, right? And the song that they're gonna do, it's called Living on a Prayer, Bon Jovi. Okay, so I've noticed that the Philippines contains so much talented people. Just the other day, I've encountered a new guy. He's called Sofronio Vasquez. Talented man. Very talented man. And so much more. Marcita Pamoy. There's another one is called Roland Bonnet. All those guys, Philippines. All of them are from the Philippines. And I'm really excited to check out this family. I want to know if they are really and truly talented. Okay, people. So, question. Do anyone who is watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments, and you all know. Let's venture together. Let's see what this family is capable of. Peace. Very skillful piano playing. Nice. The instrumental beat is crazy. He's a kid, bro. Yo. Yo, this is so good, bro. Music to my ears. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Excellence in advance. The talent, it's in advance, bro. Everyone is talented here. But differently, everyone is having an instrumental playing with, bro. Like, damn. Damn. Yo, I'm feeling good right here, bro. Like, everyone is doing something exquisite. Damn. Hey, let's give it up for the kid. Let's give it up for the kid, bro. Bro, that's not something I've seen every day in my life. Never, bro. I'm 27 now, right? And I never see such talent in a long time, bro. Like, the kid, bro, the kid. My eyes is set on this kid. He's playing the drum as if he's a professional. I can tell that this takes a lot of practice to learn. Right? But bro, you know, we have other kids out there, right? They will not remember how to play the drum like this. But this kid is doing an incredible, beautiful work. Like, damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh my god! Yo, the music is so sweet! What jollification to listen to this music. Like the kid, bro. These kids, the family, the mother, the father, the sister, the brother, bro. Everyone, man. I mean, like, everyone here is doing something good. Everyone, especially the dad. The dad is rocking, rolling that beat. Hey! 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 No, this is too sweet, bro. This is too sweet. Music to my ears, bro. Music to my ears. Like, the girl on my left on the screen to the bottom left of the screen, bro. Bro, she's a superstar, bro. Like, everyone here is doing such an incredible job. Superstar position, bro. Definitely. Yo, bro. No way. No way.
Make it talk so tough. Gina dreams of running away when she cries in the night time and whispers, baby, it's okay. Someday we gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand and we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer. Living on a
Oh! Yo! 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 Sick! Absolutely sick! Ain't no freaking way, bro. Yo, the mom, she's killing it. This is a real rock and roll vibe, my G. Like, damn, bro. Yo, I'm speechless at this point. I can tell you, I'm speechless at this point. Damn. I am feeling blessed listening to this family. Like, they are 1 in a billion, bro. Trust me.
we gotta hold on, ready or not. You live for the fight when that's all that you've got. Whoa, halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand and we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer. Whoa, halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand and we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, living on a prayer. Whoa,
Yo, hats off to this kid. Hats off to these kids, bro. Like, marvelous. Just marvelous. Like, so much of them. And the kid who's playing the drum, he's a professional. Work well done. Job well done. Like, everyone is just so good. They are so good. That was really good. That was an expected work to be finished completely. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. To the Mission family, hats off to y'all. I was surprised. Like, Jamaica, I'm hearing, and trust me, you guys are making so much big moves, and you guys should keep up the good work. So, if you guys enjoy my reaction, state which song or which performance or which, practice I should check out from the Mission family next. Subscribe, stay tuned, turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time a next reaction should be dropped about this family.